Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Khalid Word with Word Brothers Barbecue, Barbecue Bourbon and Blues channel. And today I'm going to show you an amazing stuffed sausage recipe. Let's get into it. All right, so I'm back. Now you can do this recipe at Tailgates or anything. It's super easy. It's only like 4 ingredients, and that's what it is. As you can see, I'm doing it basically with one arm. All right, so you're just gonna turn your sausage over. I turn it this way so you can see. You want to start cutting that sausage. Don't go all the way through, okay? But you want to cut it open. Then you just push it open it up like it's a little boat. All right? Just like that. All right? Now, I'm going to take a piece of cream cheese and stick it on. Take my jalapenos, and you can get them as spicy or whatever as you want, okay? I leave the seeds in because we like ours spicy. Get it on there. Then I'm gonna take my cheddar cheese and just sprinkle it over the top, just like that. Lastly, I'm gonna hit it with a little rub. This is Killer Hogs, the barbecue rub. Hit it with a little rub on top, and that's ready to go to the smoker. You just lay it on the smoker just like that, as you'll see down when we get down there, all right? So I'm gonna do the rest of these. I'm not gonna bore you guys with it. Catch you down at the smoker. All right, so now that I've got them all done, this is what they look like. You have your sausage split open with the cream cheese, jalapenos on top of the cream cheese, cheddar cheese. I use sharp cheddar today because I like that flavor on there, and some Killer Hogs barbecue rub. But you use whatever rub you like, all right? I'm gonna get these down to the smoker. We're gonna roll at 300 degrees, probably for about 45 minutes to an hour. We're gonna get them up off of there and show you what's gonna happen, all right? But I'm gonna take you down to the grill and show you putting them on there, okay? Catch you back in a minute. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share the channel with your friends. We'll appreciate it. Catch you in a second. All right, so I'm down here at the smoker. I'm at my Oklahoma Joe Pro Bronco Pro with my Chef's Temp S1 and the Brizo, and I'm gonna get these on here. All right. I'm just gonna lay them on easy. Like I said, I'm basically doing this with one arm. So it's super easy, as you can see. Just grab a little bit of this cheese off of here that fell off. Sprinkle in the best spots that you see. Close it down and let that roll for about 45 minutes, all right? Catch you back when they're done. Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. All right, so we're back down here. These have been on for about 50 minutes or so. I think they're good to go. Gonna get them off of here. Oh, those look delicious. Oh man, with one hand, that's what happens sometimes. All right, got these off. I'm gonna get them back up to the table. We're gonna sample one of them. Catch you in a second. All right, so like I said before, we do these videos to help you become the king or queen of your neighborhood, cul-de-sac, tailgates, whatever it is. So you know I'm Khalid Word Brothers Barbecue. We're a full service catering company, competition barbecue team. We do it all, and we do it for y'all. All right, so we're getting ready to taste one of these. Just gonna grab it, put it on my plate. Cut this thing in half. Ooh, look at that. See that? Cut it in half. Take a bite.
What the hell?
And the key part is, the key part is to let it cool down a little bit so you don't do what I just did. But it's delicious though. So go get you some sausages, split them open, take you some Philadelphia cream cheese or your cream cheese of choice, put it on, get your jalapenos, put it on, shredded cheese on top, whatever cheese you like, on your smoker, 275, 300 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour, and you will have the boat. All right. Cheers, guys. We'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share the channel with your friends. We'll appreciate it. Peace. All right, guys, so that's going to wrap up this video. Now, remember, you could do these recipes on any grill or smoker. You could do it on the Oklahoma Joe Bronco like I did today, Masterbuilt Gravities, regular, the kettle grills, the Weber kettles, whatever you have, you could do all of our recipes on those. Make sure you check out our other videos. We appreciate you all. Catch you in a minute. Check out the other ones. Oh, make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share the channel with your friends. Peace.